today I am doing a DIY decor video. I haven't done one of these in maybe 2 or 3 years. I will put my last one up here because it has been a very long time since I've done one. I decided to hop onto my Pinterest and find 3 DIY decors that I wanted to create for myself and also show you guys what I was creating. So these are all inspired by Pinterest. I'm going to stop rambling, so maybe hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell, but let's get straight into it.
Our first DIY are just some cushion covers. What you'll need to make this DIY is just some cushion covers, empty cushion covers, and just some paint. Once you pick out your colors of paint that you're going to use, you can go crazy. There are so many designs on Pinterest that you can use for your cushion covers, but some that spoke to me a little bit more with this like artistic, colorful one with dots all over. I really liked it, and that's why I wanted to recreate it myself. Gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not the most creative person, but I actually really enjoyed being a little bit more creative, especially with this cushion. The next one, I'm going in with a circle brush and I'm just going to paint on little circles on the entire cushion cover. I really like this because I can do really dark black circles, or I can just let them go all the way to minimal paint, and I really like this effect, and I have fallen in love with this cushion so much, and it looks so expensive. The next DIY we're doing is just these little yarn wall hangers. What you'll need for this DIY is some yarn and some dowel. So the first thing you'll have to do is kind of tie the 2 dowel pieces together, and then just go through with the yarn and cross over to one dowel and go around, and then cross over to the other one and go around. It is super simple, super easy, and I made so many of these and I love them so much. Last DIY we've got for you are just these painted flower pots. What you'll need for this DIY is some clay pots, some paint, and some plants. The first thing that I did for this DIY is that I painted my pots completely black. I do kind of regret this. I wish I painted them white, but I do like the black in my house at the moment. And then after they were dry, I just went ahead and just got some ideas off Pinterest. I do really like how these turned out, and they kind of were like tribally, but not too tribally. But I really like how they turned out, and I'm so glad I did this for one of my DIYs.
I hope you all enjoyed my little DIY today. I know it's something different, but I've really enjoyed creating this for you guys. It is a lot different to just my normal vlog. So if you're not subscribed already, please click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified from us that we have uploaded. But until next time, we'll see you in a couple of days. Bye!